In the vibrant real estate market of Orangeburg, South Carolina, homeowners looking to sell are always seeking smart, cost-effective upgrades that increase property value and attract buyers. One of the most impactful, and often overlooked, improvements is replacing outdated windows. High-quality replacement windows not only enhance curb appeal, but they also improve energy efficiency, reduce maintenance costs, and provide a more comfortable living environment. All of these factors combine to significantly boost a home's resale value. First impressions matter. Curb appeal plays a crucial role in real estate, and windows are one of the first things prospective buyers notice. Old, weathered, or mismatched windows can make an otherwise well-maintained home appear neglected. On the other hand, modern replacement windows give your home a clean, updated look that appeals to today's homebuyers. In Orangeburg, where traditional Southern charm meets modern convenience, choosing window styles that complement your home's architecture is key. Double-hung windows with divided lights suit colonial and craftsman-style homes, while sleek, contemporary options work well for newer builds. Regardless of the style, new windows signal to buyers that the home is move-in ready and well cared for. Energy efficiency sells. With warm summers and mild winters, Orangeburg homeowners appreciate energy efficiency, and so do buyers. Replacement windows with features like low emissivity, low E coatings, argon gas fills, and double or triple panes help regulate indoor temperatures by minimizing heat gain and loss. This can lead to noticeably lower utility bills, an attractive selling point for environmentally and budget-conscious buyers. Homes with Energy Star certified windows are often more desirable because they provide long-term savings. In fact, energy-efficient upgrades can be a major selling point during open houses and home showings, especially when realtors highlight potential cost reductions in monthly energy expenses. Increased comfort and noise reduction. Buyers want more than a beautiful house, they want a comfortable home. Replacement windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reducing drafts and hotspots that are common with older, inefficient windows. For homes near busy streets or schools in Orangeburg, new windows also offer improved noise insulation, creating a quieter, more relaxing environment. These subtle yet important improvements can make a strong impression on prospective buyers during walkthroughs. When buyers feel the difference in comfort and quiet, they're more likely to see the home as high quality and worth the asking price. Low maintenance and modern features. Today's homebuyers are often looking for properties that won't require major repairs or updates. Replacement windows made from durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite are built to withstand Orangeburg's humidity and temperature changes with minimal maintenance. These materials resist warping, rotting, and fading, common issues with older wood windows. Additionally, many modern windows include tilt-in features for easy cleaning, advanced locking mechanisms for security, and UV protection to prevent furniture and flooring from fading. These conveniences add everyday value and are attractive selling points that can differentiate your home from others on the market. Return on investment. Window replacement consistently ranks as one of the top home improvement projects in terms of return on investment, ROI. According to national estimates, homeowners can recoup up to 70% or more of the cost of new windows when they sell their home. In a competitive market like Orangeburg's, this boost can help you sell your home faster and at a higher price point. Even if you're not planning to sell immediately, investing in replacement windows now means you can enjoy the benefits, like lower utility bills and enhanced comfort, while positioning your home for future resale success. Conclusion. For Orangeburg homeowners considering upgrades before selling, replacement windows are a smart, value-adding choice. They enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, increase comfort, and reduce ongoing maintenance, all factors that today's buyers prioritize. Whether you're listing your home soon or just planning ahead, new windows are a worthwhile investment that can pay off in both buyer interest and final sale price.